Hello friends. See illustration number 4.
Four charges are arranged at the corners of square ABCD of side small d as shown in figure. A. Find the work required to put together this arrangement.
So first of all in A we have to find out the work done for this arrangement. So here this square having a side D. So this AB, D, BC that is small d, BC that is also small d, and AD that is also small d. Then here if we want to find out this AC, then we apply the Pythagoras. See this triangle A, B and C. So here if we apply the Pythagoras, then we know that AB square is equal to AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So this AC is equal to square root of 2 into D, right? And this DB will also root 2 into D, right? Because see this is the triangle BCD, and apply the Pythagoras, then BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. Then we get the value of dB, that is root 2 into d. Now we have to find out the total work for this arrangement. So first of all we bring the charge plus Q to point A. So here to bring the charge plus Q to the point A, there is no external electric field. So work done to bring the charge plus Q to A is 0. So to bring the charge plus Q to A, work done is equal to W1 is equal to 0, that is equation 1. Why? Because no external electric field, right? So here there is no external electric field, so the work done to bring the charge plus Q to point A is 0, right? Now to bring the charge minus Q to B. So now we have to bring the charge minus Q to B. So now there is a potential due to this A at point B, and we know that the potential is, here charge is Q, so Q by R, but here distance small d. So to bring the charge minus Q to B, work done W2 is equal to VA, that is potential due to A, into Q, VQ. But here the charge is negative, so instead of Q we have to write minus Q, right? Because we know that to bring the charge minus Q to B, we know the formula W is equal to VQ. But here at point B, potential due to A, so W2 is equal to VA into Q. But here this is the negative charge, so minus VA, that is KQ by R, but charge on A plus Q. So KQ by R, but here distance from A to B small d. So KQ by D into minus Q. So minus KQ square upon D, that is equation number 2. So to bring the charge minus Q to B, work done W2 is equal to minus KQ square by D. Now to bring the charge plus Q to C, so plus Q to C. So now once again W3 work done is equal to, now W is equal to VQ, but at point C potential is due to A and B. So here VA plus VB into Q, but here charge plus Q, so into Q. VA, so VA is potential due to A on C, so VA kq upon here potential at point C. So distance between A to C is root 2d. So upon root 2d plus Vb. So plus Vb, that is potential due to this charge on B. So kq by r, but here see, this is the negative charge. So minus kq upon distance from B to C, right? So distance from B to C is d, right? Like this, right? So VA plus VB into q. So we get W3 is equals to, here we multiply by q. So kq square upon root 2d plus minus kq square upon d. This is equation number 3. Now we have to bring the charge minus q to d. So to bring the charge minus q to point D. So W4 is equals to, here at point D there is potential due to A, B and C. So VA plus VB plus VC and charge minus q. So into minus q, right? So VA, that is potential due to this A. So potential due to this A on D. So the charge on A is plus q. So kq upon, here potential is at point D. So distance from A to D, small d, plus VB, but here potential on B, here due to the negative charge. So minus kq upon distance between B and D, because here we have to bring this charge to point D. So B to D, that is root 2d plus VC, here charge on C is plus q. So kq upon distance between C and D, that is small d, into minus q. Here we have to multiply by minus q. So we get W4 is equals to minus kq square by d. This minus and this minus plus kq square upon root 2d plus minus kq square upon d. That is equation number 4. Now friends, we have to find the total work done. So we have to find the total work done for this arrangement. So simple, we have to take addition of W1, 2, 3 and 4. So total work done, W is equals to W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus W4. So total work done is equals to W1 0, W2, that is minus kq square by d. So here instead of plus, minus kq square by d. W3, so plus kq square upon root 2d. So plus kq square upon root 2d minus kq square upon d. So minus kq square upon d plus W4. So here W4 minus, so minus kq square upon d. So minus kq square upon d plus kq square upon root 2d plus kq square upon root 2d minus kq square upon d. Okay. So see here friends, here kq square upon d 4 times. So minus 4 kq square upon d. And here kq square upon root 2d 2 times. So plus 2 kq square upon root 2d. Right? So here this root 2 cancel. So root 2 is remaining. Right? So total work done to bring this arrangement is minus 4 kq square upon d plus root 2 kq square upon d. Right? So if we take kq square upon d common, so kq square upon d common, so minus 4 plus root 2. So here this is the work done required for this arrangement, right? So this is the A. We have to find out the work done for this arrangement. So first of all, we have to bring plus Q to A. So here there is no external electric field, so W1 0. To bring minus Q at point B, there is a potential due to A. So W2 is equals to VA into minus Q. So VA, that is potential due to A on B. So KQ upon distance from A to B. So KQ by D into minus Q. So minus KQ square upon D. To bring plus Q to C, there is the potential due to A and B on C. So VA plus VB into Q. Potential due to A on C, that is KQ by distance between A to C, root 2D. Plus potential due to B on C. So here charge on B minus Q. So minus KQ, distance between B and C, D into Q. So KQ square upon root 2D minus KQ square upon D. To bring the charge minus Q on D, there is a potential due to A, B and C on point D. So VA plus VB plus VC into minus Q. VA, that is potential due to A on C, on D. So KQ upon distance between A to D, small d. So KQ upon small d. VB, that is potential due to B on D. So K minus Q, the minus KQ upon root 2D. Potential due to C on D. So KQ upon D into minus Q. So minus KQ square upon D plus minus this minus plus minus minus, but here minus minus plus. So plus KQ square upon root 2D plus minus minus KQ square upon D. So to find out total work done, we have to take addition of W1, W2, W3 and W4. So W is equals to W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus W4. So we get work done KQ square by D into minus 4 plus root 2.
Now see B. A charge Q0 is brought to the center E of the square at the four charges being held fixed at its corners. How much extra work is needed to do this?
Now here we have to brought the charge Q0 at point E. So this is be like this. See, this is A, B, C, D. Charge on A, this is plus Q, minus Q, plus Q, and this is minus Q. Here this distance is root 2D. Distance between D to B, this is also root 2D. We have to bring the charge Q0 at point E, right? So how much extra work done is required? So here we have to brought the charge Q0 at point E. So here at point E, we have to find out work done. So W is equals to VQ, right? But here charge is Q0, but potential at point E is due to A, B, C and D. So first of all, we have to find out potential due to A, B, C and D on E. So here this distance is root 2D. So here this distance between point A, B, C, D to the center E is root 2D divided by 2. So this distance is equals to D upon root 2. So this distance from A, B, C, D, or we can say from corners to center, this distance is D by root 2. So now potential at point E, V is equals to VA plus VB plus VC plus VD. So we have to find out potential at point E. V is equals to potential due to VA plus VB plus VC plus VD. Now we know the formula of potential KQ by R. So VA, see, Here charge on A is plus Q. So KQ by R, distance from A to E, it is d by root 2. Now VB, potential due to this B, but here potential, the formula potential KQ by R, but here see this is negative charge, so minus KQ upon R is d by root 2. VC, potential due to C. Now see here the charge on C is plus Q, so plus KQ upon R, that is d by root 2, plus VD, but here at point D negative charge is there, so minus KQ by R, distance d by root 2. So here this plus minus cancel, so potential at point E is 0. So potential at point E is 0. So work done is equals to W is equals to VQ, but here we have to brought charge Q0, so VQ0, but here the potential 0 into Q0, so total work done W is equals to 0. So here to bring the charge Q0 to point E, extra work done is equals to 0, because we know that the formula of work done W is equals to VQ, but here at point E, potential due to A, B, C and D. So here we have to find out first of all potential at point E, that is V is equals to VA plus VB plus VC plus VD, right? But total potential is 0. So we know that W is equals to VQ. If V is 0, then work done 0. So to bring the charge Q0 to point E is work done is 0, right? So friends, this is very important question for your examination. Now
We move forward to our next example C. Illustration number 5. C. Determine the electrostatic potential energy of a system consisting the two charges 7 microcoulomb and -2 microcoulomb placed at -9 centimeter 00 and 9 centimeter 00 respectively.
So first case,
Here we have to determine the electrostatic potential energy.
so we have to find out U,
Right. Here system consisting the two charges. So Q1 7 microcoulomb.
so Q1 7 micro 10 raised to -6 coulomb.
Q2 is given second charge -2 microcoulomb. So
-2 micro 10 raised to -6 coulomb.
placed at -9 centimeter 00 and 9 centimeter 00 respectively.
So here distance R is equals to 900 minus -900. So distance will be 1800 centimeter, right? So this is the distance between these charges.
So we have to find out the potential energy.
So we know the formula, U is equals to K Q1 Q2 upon R, or you can say R12 as you wish. So value of K, that is 9 into 10 raised to 9. Value of Q1 7 into 10 raised to -6. Value of Q2 -2 into 10 raised to -6 upon R 18 centimeter. We have to convert it into meter. So this is 18 into 10 raised to -2, 0 meter. Right?
So after calculating this, you will get potential energy minus
0.7 joule. So this potential energy U is equals to -0.7 joule. So this is the first case. Here charge q1, q2 and distance given. So we know the formula of potential energy, U is equals to k q1 q2 upon r. So we will get potential energy.
Now see second. How much work done is required to separate the two charges infinitely away from each other?
So we know that if the charge is at infinite distance, then the potential energy at infinite distance we take 0.
So to bring, or we can say here, to separate the charges infinity away from each other, work done should be, so here in second case, work done W is equals to U2 minus U1, right?
So here we have to separate these charges at infinite distance.
So U2 will be 0 minus U1 0.7. So minus minus plus, so 0.7 joule. So the amount of work done required to separate
these charges is
0.7 joule. Now see. Suppose that the same system of charges is now placed in an external electric field of E is equals to A into 1 upon R square. So here field E is equals to A into 1 upon R square, where value of A is given, that is 9 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per coulomb into meter square. Then what would be the electrostatic energy of the configuration B? So we have to find out energy.
But here electric field is present. So we already know the formula of system of two charges. In the presence of
Electric field, or we can say external electric field, U is equals to VR1 Q1 plus VR2 Q2 plus K Q1 Q2 upon R. Right? We already know this formula. So see here, we know the value of Q1, we know the value of Q2. This value K Q1 Q2 upon R, we already find out this value. This value is equals to minus 0.7. Right? So we know the value of Q1, Q2 and this value K Q1 Q2 upon R. We have to find out potential at R1 and R2. So we already know that here electric field is given A into 1 upon R square.
So we know the relation between potential and electric field. V is equals to E L, or we can say V is equals to E D. Here distance is R, so V is equals to ER.
So we already know the formula of potential in form of electric field. V is equals to ER. So instead of VR1, we can write that E at R1 distance. So here we know that E is equals to A into 1 upon R square. So directly we can write here V is equals to ED. So A upon R1 square, because here potential at R1 distance. So A upon R1 square into D means R1 into Q1 plus VR2 Q2. So V is equals to AD. Electric field A upon here distance R2. So R2 square. So ED here distance R2 into Q2. This K Q1 Q2 by R as it is. Right. So here this value R1 cancel, this R2 cancel. So we get U is equals to A upon R1 into Q1 plus A upon R2 into Q2 plus K Q1 Q2 by R. Right. Once again friends, here why we can write VR1 A upon R1 square into R1, because V is equals to ED. Right. Or you can say instead of distance D, here distance R. So V is equals to ER. Right. So again friends, here external field is present. So in the presence of external electric field, we know that U is equal equals to VR1 Q1 plus VR2 Q2 plus K Q1 Q2 upon R.
But here we know the value of Q1, Q2 and K Q1, Q2 upon R.
Right, so we have to find out this VR1 and VR2, but we know the relation between potential and electric field. V is equals to ED. So here VR1, that means from this formula ED, electric field at distance R1, A upon R1 square into distance R1 into Q1 plus VR2, that means A upon R2 square into distance R2 into Q2, and this K Q1 Q2 by R as it is. Now this R1 and this R2 cancel, so we get U is equals to A upon R1 Q1 plus A upon R2 Q2 plus K Q1 Q2 by R. Now we already know the value of A, R1, Q1, R2, Q2, so we put the value of it. So U is equals to value of A, that is 9 into 10 raised to 5 upon value of R1. So value of R1 is 9 centimeter. We have to convert it into meter. So 9 into 10 raised to minus 2 into value of Q1, that is 7 into 10 raised to minus 6 plus A. Value of A is 9 into 10 raised to 5 upon value of R2, that is 9 centimeter. We have to convert into meter. So 9 into 10 raised to minus 2. Value of Q2. So Q2 is minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 6. Okay. Now plus K Q1 Q2 by R. We already know the value of this K Q1 Q2 by R. We know that minus 0.7. So minus 0.7. Right. So friends, you will solve this and calculate it. Then you will get energy is equals to 49.3 joule. So if you calculate this, then you will get U is equals to 49.3 joule. Right. So friends, these are the examples based on the concept of the potential energy of a system of charges. Right. So if you know this concept of potential energy, then you can easily calculate these examples. Okay friends, thank you.